Hello guys, hey, Humato Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. I know it's too late to make this video. It's getting dark and I'm tired, but I have to make this video because I planted my seeds. I planted okra and I planted kales. So let me show you. Let me turn the camera over here. We planted kales and okra. You can see these little holes there we planted. So we're waiting for 2 months or just to start to see what's growing from down here. I tried to find the seedlings, but I did not. But unfortunately, to find the seeds, can you imagine? We don't have kales. You know, we used to have kales where you can just plug a kale and then plant it. But now the season we don't have it, so I have to get the seeds and then plant the seeds and then wait for a couple months, 1 or 2, for the seeds. But now I'm trying to water the garden, so I'm getting this hose from here. If you can see me, this is a hose. This is what we use here to water our plants. But my grass has the sprinkler. Let me see if I can find a sprinkler and show you how it looks like. So we have a sprinkler here. This is a sprinkler. We have sprinklers here. This is what we have to water. But here in my garden, I'm using hose, this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to untangle this one and then open the water and start spraying in this garden. I don't want to spray on myself. I'm getting this hose to start sprinkling, so I'm gonna put it in a way, guys, because I don't want to spill water on me. I don't want to be cold. I'm about to go cook supper. It's about actually at 7:30 evening. So, whoa, guys! Did I just spill water? Look at it! I spilled water on me. So this, let me turn the camera. So this is how I'm going to sprinkle the water so that you can have I love this hose because all you do is to add pressure and it goes all the way. You don't have to move, you know. You just add pressure and you are good to go. So guys, I tried to plant sugarcane here. I'm gonna keep spraying water to see if this sugarcane is going to be alive. And of course I have my spring onions. I need to spray water on my spring onions. We have a little bit of carrots here, but I doubt there is nothing in there. But I did plant them, but they just, you know, grew up by themselves. So and we have mint all the way there. That's mint. It's going to grow actually if you water it. That's why I put it at the corner, because it tends to spread so much. So I thought, let me just put it at the corner so it doesn't interfere with the other greens. Okay, So we're gonna see very soon okra coming up and kales coming up, and then we're gonna start transplanting even these spring onions. I need to divide them, transplant, because I don't like when they're together like this. But hopefully this spraying is going to help. So guys, we are done. Let me turn this water. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That was so scary. That was so scary. So let me pull this so that I can put it back. Oh my goodness, guys. I know my camera is shaky, but I'm trying to pull this hose, put it back here, because I don't like the hose laying on the grass like this. It's going definitely to mess my grass, which I don't want. So that's why I'm trying to put it back here. Okay, it's so hard, but girl, I have to do this. I have to put it back one more, and then we'll be there. I think that'll be perfect. This one is okay. So whoa, it's spraying on me. That little thing, I don't want to be water, so I think it's okay like that. Oops, it's okay like this, because I'm gonna use it again tomorrow to spray more water. And the reason being, I want those seeds to grow up. So let's go check our garden. Oh my goodness, I put this thing down, I need to put it back. So this is how it looks like. It's wet. So 1 or 2 months you're going to see this place all green with veggie. Okay, but what shocked me, these pear trees. The other video that I made, you see it was a flowering season, but right now you can see the flowers are gone, and look at all these leaves, you know, they're coming up. I don't know where they came from. They're coming up very, very nice. And let me turn the camera so you can see. Hopefully these pear trees are coming. I told you, as from June, July, August, we are eating plenty of pears. So the reason why, you know, it's dark, because this is my sensor right here. It senses the darkness. So when it's dark, you can literally see that the lighting coming up. Even my neighbor there, those are sensors. So when it's dark, it's actually going to be 8. Oh my goodness, I need to go cook dinner for everybody. I'm so tired, guys. I'm coming from work, but I'm tired. But I thought, let me go and make a video for you right now. Guys, I love this swing set here. I'm telling you, this swing set is in between the 2 pears. Can you imagine? Why I love this swing set here? When you're reading a book, or guys, when you're reading a book, or when you're having an exam and you're studying and you want the quiet place, or when you're writing a book. I love to write books. One of these days I'm going to produce a children's book, because I've been writing the books here, but now I need those final, you know, touches so that I can produce the book for you. So when you're swinging here, let me swing it so you can see, like this. Oh my goodness, and you're reading a book, and you're writing a book, or you're just writing a song. I'm the kind of person who loves to write songs as well. But I'm not a good singer. Can you imagine? So let me sit there. You can see what's going on. So this is me in this swing. So when I'm sitting here, actually, and I try to think of everything in life, and you know, how far I have come. I love the lighting, because the lighting is making my camera to shine on me. Okay, so guys, I'm itching. So I sit here and try to just think about life. where I've come from, where I'm going, what's next, what's working, what's not working. Can you imagine? So I love this swing set. And this time the weather, it's warm, you know, it's breezy, a little bit of breezy, a little bit of windy. Me chilling here, sitting here. You can even put your legs up here if you want to, like this, and enjoy and swing. Oh my goodness. And can you imagine the weather right now? It's almost 8 and it looks like this outside, you know. So this video actually was to catch up, because when I planted the greens I didn't record, so I wanted to show you where I planted the kales, and so that whenever you see me watering there, so you don't ask, oh Moto, did you plant? Yes, I did plant the seeds, and actually they're growing and we are waiting. Guys, I just wanted to give you an update. Let me go back inside to make dinner for everybody, because I don't like eating too late, so I like eating a little bit early. So all I can ask you for, guys, go subscribe to my channel and go watch the video, and please comment. I love your comments. And for those ones who don't know, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. I live in the US and I make lifestyle content, okay? And I do hair, I make hair videos, and I make beauty videos. The locks videos are coming for those ones who, somebody was asking about the locks, but I'm gonna make a video detailing about how I'm feeling about my locks, or me growing the locks for 2 years, okay? So guys, let me go inside. It was nice to talk to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Subscribe.